Jaybird says, I'm doing the same thing after getting off the medication and toxic relationships. I'm blaming myself for everything, wanting to run. Noises make me jump literally. Yeah, don't blame yourself. Don't. You took self care. The noise and a toxic relationship, both of those things are toxic. Medication is also toxic for your body. It does suppress some symptoms, but long term it's horrible. So when you get off medication, when you come from trauma, when you come from a difficult relationship, there's gonna be a processing time before you adjust to your new timeline, before you get all this emotional things out. So breath work, talk therapy, sessions with people like me, sessions with your friends. If you don't want to, if you can't afford private sessions with a therapist, you need to talk to a friend about your relationship. Talk to them a lot. Talk to somebody that can listen for a long time from your friends, and then buy them dinner or something. Give them a hug or whatever. You need to process these emotions, and there's going to be a period where your body needs to adjust to feeling safe again, because as long as we are in a toxic environment, either it's our diet or our relationship or our work or whatever, after you leave, there's going to be remnants of your nervous system still functioning like it's there. And you need to, through mindful practices, meditation, movement, yoga, exercise, talking, breathing, eating better, whatever, nature, you need to get your nervous system used to the new environment, which is actually good for you. The fucking thing is that we are not used to feeling good. So when we feel good, we feel that something's wrong, because we're used to panic. We're used to toxic people. We're used to anxiety. We're used to depression. So even when we get a safe person next to us, we're going to reject the person, because the safety is not going to feel, it's going to feel weird. It's going to feel new. It's going to feel unknown, scary. So that's why feeling not jumpy is weird, right? Like when you're really calm, it feels new. It feels like you don't know how to do it. And that is the truth. You are used to chaotic environments. That just means it takes time to get used to being calm. And that goes through breathwork, through meditation, through therapy, through friendship, through time spent on relaxing your nervous system, resetting the water in your system, because water is emotion. So good hydration helps with emotional clearing. Practices like we do on Fridays, moving meditations, qigong, tai chi, yoga, new experiences, forgiveness, writing, a lot of things, a lot of things. And until we heal our nervous system from the past toxic sociopath, you're just going to attract another one, because you feel safe even when you're even when you're suffering. You feel okay. You feel safe in the suffering. And until you change that you actually don't want to suffer, then you can attract another person in your life that you can be comfortable. You might, like people say, I can't attract the right mate. It's because even if you have a gentle, loving person next to you, you might repel them because your nervous system can't handle them. Maybe your nervous system can't handle gentleness, safety, normal, like intimacy, stuff like that. And that doesn't mean you are to blame. It doesn't mean you are shamed for that. It just means that there are certain things you need to do slowly to switch your nervous system. Switch your nervous system to feel safe again. If me talking makes you feel safe, by all means, please come every day. If this community here makes you feel safe and that you can engage in life again, just come here. You don't have to type anything. You don't have to do anything. You can just be here.